Hello and welcome. So in this video I'm going to cover the task 2 of program 5, that is develop curious thinking to support your growth mindset. Okay, so let's start this video. So just as the previous video, go to the point 2 and check, go to the point 3 and check what is your task. So what is our task? Build your knowledge about curious thinking by using resources, just ignore it. And step 2, imagine you have been selected for an interview at Microsoft. You have you have key Microsoft leaders in the room, or you can understand you have some persons from the Microsoft in your room, and you can ask them any question that you want. What are you keen to understand, or what are you curious about Microsoft? And the step 3, complete the demonstrating curiosity template to list the question that will ask. Okay, so this is the task template solution. So for this, as we know, for the task template solution we have to download the task template. So how can we download the task template? Just click to download file, just click on it. As you can see, task template has been downloaded. Just double click on it. Okay, so double click on it and it is open. Just open it. So what is our task template? Or you can see template. Okay, so there a scenario is given. You recently won a prize where the reward was a 30-minute audience with any Microsoft leader or employee. You can have as many Microsoft people in the room as you like, and from any part of the business. You are keen to work at Microsoft, are and are excited about this unique opportunity to learn more about the company. You can ask any questions you want. What are you curious about Microsoft? Record your list of questions below. You can ask the number of questions that are coming in your mind. You can ask the number of questions. I repeat, you can ask 3 4, or you can ask 10 or more than 10. I'm just telling, I just include the 3 questions in this task template for my solutions. So I am going to share that 3 questions with you guys. So just open my task template solutions. Okay, this one. So this is my task template solution. Okay, as you can see, there's a same scenario. So the first question I will ask, that is, why Microsoft by LinkedIn? As we know, LinkedIn is a professional network where we connect the similar, we can say, the same type of person. Suppose you are working in a software engineering field, so you are supposed to connect with the software engineers, developers, etc. So this is a network, professional network platform for sharing our achievements and getting a better place. Okay, so this is, as you know guys, Microsoft by LinkedIn. So my question is, why Microsoft by LinkedIn? The first question. And the second one is, what are the advantages of the Azure platform over the IBM cloud or the AWS, that is Amazon Web Service? As you know guys, Azure platform are less popular in the comparison of IBM cloud, that is the IBM cloud platform, and Watson Studio, and the AWS, that is the one of the most popular cloud platform for getting the services like GPU services, like lots of services are there for the cloud, SaaS, PaaS, etc. Okay, so these are the services. So that is my second question, that is, what are the advantages of the Azure platform over the IBM cloud or the AWS? So why we select Azure platform? And then last question that I will ask, that is, what future skills will be most demanding for working in a Microsoft in upcoming years? So these are the 3 questions that I will ask. You can use these 3, or you can use any question that you want. You can, this is not mandatory, this is not hard and fast rule, just you just select 3 questions. You can select multiple questions like 4 5 6, or you can as your wills. Okay, so this is the task template. I completed it by 3 questions. Just hit Control plus S for saving this task template. And what we have to do, just go to the Chrome again and submit your work. Click to submit your work. Once you click on it, a new tab will be open in the front of you, not a new tab, in the same tab. Okay, So upload your work for this task. Just click on this and upload your Word file. Okay, so select the destination file, that is, where is this, okay, let me check. Okay, it is in a downloads. Okay, downloads. Hmm. Task 4, task 5. Okay, this one, not this one. This is a task template that I just downloaded. Okay, this one is the solution. Just select this file and open it. Once you open it, the file is being uploaded. As you can see, upload successful. So after then, just make sure you click in on mark as complete. Just click on it and uploading your work, and your work has been uploaded. So okay, so that's how you complete the tasks 2 of program 5. So I hope you like this video. Just thumbs up and share with your friends. So thank you for watching this video.